Good evening everyone, good evening. Welcome back people, welcome back to your JEE Enthuse. I hope you guys are doing great, having a good time. Well people, you can let me know first of all in the chat box if I'm audible and visible to everyone. Yes, you can let me know in the chat box. Hello Prachi, hi Ronak. Hello Karthikeyan, hello Sai, hi Hitesh. Hello Ishpreet, hi Ashwarya. Hello Vedic Maths by Tushar. Hi Harshit, hi Dinesh, hi Shruti. Welcome back people, welcome back. Just let me know in the chat box if I'm audible and visible to everyone. Yes. Just let me know in the chat box people, give me some green signal from the chat box so that I'll get to know whether I'm audible and visible to you. Well Janan, I'm taking Drishti B batch. Okay. Well, first of all, let me tell you, we are resuming the nurture series of chemistry from coming Saturday. Okay, right? It is just tonight I wanted to take a session on the mole concept, right? It is going to be the Menti session, right? We have completed the mole concept long back, as you all must be knowing, right? So it's going to be kind of a revision for you. And at the same time, the question which I've come up with in the tonight's session, right? These are very simple and conceptual questions, and I'm sure you guys can kill them easily, right? Okay, so let me tell you again, on the coming Saturday, we will be resuming our nurture series for class 11th JEE 2023 people again, right? Yes, exactly, our regular lectures will be back. Yes, so people, before starting the session, the ones who are new to the channel, let me introduce myself. My name is Wassim and I'm your chemistry master teacher writer on this JEE Enthuse channel, right? Okay, exactly, Mohammed Arshad. Wassim sir conducting Menti is a rare thing. Exactly, I'm not used to all this, yeah? Anyways, let's get started. Let's see how it goes, yeah? So just give me a second, I'll show you exactly how to join in, right? So people, if you want to participate in tonight's Menti, I want you guys to go to www.menti.com and type the code 4099863, then only you can participate in tonight's Menti session, right? I'll be giving you a couple of minutes to join into the Menti, right? I want all of you to go to www.menti.com and type the code 4099863. Yes, Harshita, BitSat mock test I'll be doing day after tomorrow. Day after tomorrow we'll be starting the BitSat mock test, right? On Friday, I mean. No, Chirmay, I'm not currently taking any micro courses. I'm only taking the YouTube sessions and the long-term batch. Yes. Yes, Harshil, on Saturday, I'm resuming the nurture series, JEE 2023. I'm resuming on NEET Elite as well as on JEE Enthuse, right? So first of all, if you want to participate in tonight's Menti, and I'm sure you guys will be participating, I want you guys to go to www.menti.com and type the code 4099863, then only you can participate in tonight's Menti session. I want all of you to go to menti.com fast. Let me know fast. People, do it fast, get enrolled fast. Farhan, I did not start the batch yet. Once I get the batch, I'll let you know about it, right? Yes, Arshid, you can also join in. These are very simple questions. It will definitely boost up your confidence. Yeah, the ones who want to participate in tonight's Menti, I want you guys to go to www.menti.com, type the code 4099863, then only you can participate in tonight's Menti, people, right? So do it fast. Well, I can see a lot of people are joining in. I can see a lot of hearts coming up. That means a lot of people are joining in. That's wonderful. Thank you, Guru. Thank you so much. Yes, Brohat, day after tomorrow we'll be doing the BitSat mock test as well. Well, a lot of people are joining in. I want you guys to go to menti.com, www.menti.com, type the code 4099863, then only you can participate in tonight's Menti session. And at the same time, I do not want you guys to write the answers in the chat box. If anyone tries to write the answers in the chat box, he or she is going to get blocked by the operational team at that time itself. Then you won't be able to type anything on the chat box. So people, if you really want to participate in tonight's Menti session, I want you guys to go to www.menti.com, type the code 4099863, then only you can participate in tonight's Menti session, right? Right, do it fast, do it fast. I can see only 74 people have joined till now. Well, I can see some 115 people are live watching. So I want you guys to join in fast, yeah? I want you guys to join in fast. Go to menti.com, use the code, then only you can participate in the tonight's Menti session. People, do it fast. I want every one of you to do it. And the ones who have not liked the video yet, please and please do like the video, share the video with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel as well, yeah? Yes, Dini. Right now, few minutes back, I took a session on Neat Lead. Now it's the turn for JEE Enthuse, right? So a lot of people are joining in. I'm just giving you 2 more minutes again, right? 2 more minutes again. I'm giving you. Just join in fast. Go to www.menti.com and type the code 4098663. Then only you can participate in the tonight's Menti session. And whosoever is going to type the answers in the comment section in the chat box, he or she is going to get blocked by the operational team at that time itself. So people, if you really want to participate, if you really want to give the answers, do go to menti.com, do go to www.menti.com and type the code 4098663. Again, I'm telling you, right? Yes. Pragna is saying how to join. Just go to www.menti.com, right? Type it www.menti.com, and there you just need to use this code, then only you can participate in the Menti session, right? Perfect. So people, should we start? Should we start? A lot of people have joined in already. Should we start? Should we start? Yes. Yes. So people, you're super duper excited about it, right? Let me see who is going to top the leaderboard today, right? And the one who is going to top the leaderboard, I'm going to take the picture of it. It's going to be my Instagram story for 2 days, I'm saying, right? With the name, and I'm going to tag that guy as well. Okay? Yes? So let's get going. Let's get going. Let's get going, right? Okay, so people, let's get started with the Menti session. Let's get started with the Menti session. And let me tell you, we have got around 23 questions, right? Okay, and I can see majority of the people have joined in. That's absolutely wonderful. So let's start the countdown over here. Let's start the countdown and let's get started with the first question, which is on your screen, right? Look at your phone, people. Look at your phone. 1 AMU is equal to a very simple and basic question this is, right? And I'm sure you all can solve it, right? A very simple and basic question this is. Give it a try. You have got 30 seconds to give it a try. Do not write the answers in the chat box. Again, I'm telling you, if you want to participate, go to www.menti.com, type the code, what I've given you, and do join the Menti. Yes? Yes, Ankit, absolutely. NCRT is more than sufficient, bro. More than sufficient. Naveen, you're not supposed to. Triambak, you're not supposed to write the answers in the chat box. If you're doing it, okay, consider this a warning. If you're doing it, then I'm really sorry. You'll be getting blocked, right? So the time is up. So I can see majority of the people have given the correct answer. 1 AMU, 1 atomic mass unit, is basically, let me write it for you. 1 AMU is nothing, it's a standard, right? It's equal to 1/12 of a mass of a carbon-12 atom, right? Mass of a carbon-12 atom. A very simple and basic question this is, right? Basically, we start mole concept from this term, AMU. So majority of the people have given the correct answer. That's absolutely wonderful. Okay? Yes? So let's then move on. Let's then move on to one more question, right? Let's move on to one more question, which is going to be on your screen in 3, 2, 1, and now, the question is on your screen. Look at your phone, people. Look at your phone. Avogadro's number of oxygen atom weighs. Avogadro's number of oxygen atom weighs. I want you guys to look at your screen and then answer the question. Yeah? It is a very, very simple and basic question. I'm sure you are going to kill this one as well. It's a very simple. Naveen, again, I'm telling you, please and please do not write the answer in the chat box. I'm telling you again. Yes? I hope you get it this time. I'm not going to repeat it next time, yeah? Do not write your answers in the chat box. So you have got 10 more seconds to answer this one, and I'm sure you would have killed this one. I'm sure about it. Yeah? So 5 more seconds left. 5 more seconds left, and the time is up. Yes, the time is up. So again, majority of the students have given the correct answer. It was a very simple and basic question, people, right? See, we have got some Avogadro's number of oxygen atoms. That means we have got some 6.022 into 10 raised power 23 oxygen atoms, right? What does that mean exactly? That simply means we have got 1 mole of oxygen atoms. We have got 1 mole of oxygen atoms. And mass of 1 mole of oxygen atoms is something which I call as molar mass of oxygen, right? And as you all must be knowing, molar mass of oxygen is something which is 16 grams, right? So 16 grams was supposed to be the correct answer of this question, yeah? A very simple question this was, okay? It was mentioned oxygen atom, right? It was not oxygen molecule. If it was supposed to be oxygen molecule, then the answer would have been 32 grams, right? A very simple question. Very simple question. Okay? Moving on to one more. Okay, let's move on to one more question. Let me start the countdown. In 3, 2, 1, and now. I've started the countdown. Look at your phone, people. Look at your phone. A bivalent metal has the atomic mass of 64U, the molecular mass of the metal nitrate. Look at the question carefully, people. We have got the bivalent metal. Bivalent metal, a metal having the valency of 2. Okay? It has got the atomic mass of 64U. The molecular mass of metal nitrate will be. Give it a try. You have got exact 40 seconds to solve it. I'm sure you all can kill this one. I'm sure about it. I'm sure about it. Yeah? I'm sure about it, right? A very simple question. Yes, Arshad, Wassim sir cannot keep his pen down. It's always here, right? I'm doing great, Kaushik. I'm doing great. How are you? Perfect. You have got 10 more seconds to solve this one, people. Give it a try properly. Let me know its answer. It's not at all difficult, Chaitanya. It's a very simple one. Okay, the time is up. So, not majority of the students gave the correct answer. Yes. It was a very simple question, people. Have a look. First of all, I'm given with the bivalent metal, right? I'm given with the metal whose valency is 2. It's forming metal nitrate. If it is a bivalent metal, the formula of metal nitrate is going to be MnO3 twice. MnO3 twice, right? Because it's a bivalent metal. This is the formula of the compound, okay? We were supposed to calculate its molecular mass. Simple, right? What is the atomic mass of this metal? Atomic mass of this metal is given to me as 64 plus. What is the atomic mass of nitrogen? It's 14. 14 multiplied by 2 is 28, right? What is the atomic mass of oxygen? That is 16. And how many oxygen atoms do we have? 6. So 16 multiplied by 6 is 96. And when you solve it, you get the value exactly to be 188 U, or you can write 188 AMU. The question was very simple and basic, right? Yes, I'm sure you would have killed this one as well, right? So let's move on. Let's move on to the next question, right? Which is going to be on your screen in 3, 2, 1, and now. Yes. Give it a try. The total number of electrons in one molecule of carbon dioxide. Isn't it a very simple and basic question, right? And the ones who have not joined into the Menti yet, people, I want you guys to go to menti.com and type the code 4099863, then only you can participate in the tonight's Menti session. And the ones who have not liked the video yet, please do like the video, share the video with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel as well. Yeah? Okay? The total number of electrons in one molecule of carbon dioxide. Isn't it a very simple and basic question, right? I'm sure you all can kill this one. Yes, I'll be showing you the leaderboard after 5 questions. Asal is, okay. Pranav is saying, I forgot which option I entered. It's okay, Pranav. You'll get to know in some time. You'll get to know about it in some time, yeah? Shruti, most welcome. We'll be starting the Nurture series again from the coming Saturday, right? So stay tuned for more. So your time is up. Let's see, will you guys killed it or not? Yes, I can see majority of the people gave the correct answer. It's absolutely wonderful. See, what I was supposed to calculate, it was a very simple and basic question. The total number of electrons in one molecule of carbon dioxide. If I talk about one molecule of carbon dioxide, one molecule of carbon dioxide contains one carbon atom and 2 oxygen atoms. What is the atomic number of carbon? As you all must be knowing, 6. This is 8. This is 8. So how many electrons are there in one atom of carbon? 6. in one atom of oxygen 8, in one more atom of oxygen 8, so the value comes out to be 22. So basically, in one molecule of carbon dioxide, there are 22 electrons, right? In one molecule of carbon dioxide, there are 22 electrons. The question was very simple and basic, yeah? So let's see if we are going to see the leaderboard or if we are going to go to the next question. I think we'll be, okay, this is the leaderboard, people. This is the leaderboard. Okay, let's see who is topping the leaderboard first. Yes, we have got Vedantu, the fastest to answer this one. At the second place, we have got Rakesh, we have got Sukriti, we have got V Enthuse fan club. Wonderful. We have got Sikits, we have got Kathy, we have got Prabhat, we have got Millie, we have got Sweda, and we have got Quinn at the end. Wonderful, people. Good job done. Moving on to one more question. I'm starting the countdown in 3, 2, 1, and now. This is the 5th question, people, and I want you guys to give it a try properly. A very simple question, yes? Okay, what is the mass of 1.5 gram atoms of calcium? People, gram atoms. Gram atoms means moles. Okay, I gave you the hint as well. And the countdown has started, right? You have got 50 seconds to answer this one. A very simple and basic question again. Hello world, I think you should join the crash course right now because it's going to be highly beneficial for you. Okay, what is the mass of 1.5 gram atoms of calcium, people? Simple question this is, yeah? Yes, Rashi, from Saturday we are starting again the nurture series. Mohammed Arshid, day after tomorrow there will be a mock test. That's going to be common mock test for JEE Mains 2021 and at the same time BITSAT. Okay, it's going to be a common mock test for you too. Yes, so I can see 10 more seconds are left. The question is almost over. Ritika, you need to go to menti.com and type the code, then only you can participate in the Menti. Otherwise, you won't be able to participate in the Menti. Yes? That's wonderful, Triambak. Okay, so people, majority of the students gave the correct answer. Again, it's a very simple question, right? What was I supposed to calculate? The mass of 1.5 gram atoms. Gram atoms means moles. So basically, I've got some 1.5 moles of calcium. Right? I need to calculate mass of 1.5 moles of calcium. How do we convert moles into mass? Isn't it simple, right? I'll say mass of calcium is going to be equal to moles of calcium multiplied by molar mass of calcium. So the value comes out to be how much? It comes out to be 60 grams. So 60 grams is basically the mass of 1.5 moles of calcium, or you can say it is the mass of 1.5 gram atoms of calcium. I'm sure it's clear to everyone, right? Okay, moving on to one more question then. This is going to be one more question which is on your screen in 3, 2, 1, and now. The question is on your screen. The mass of 2.6 gram molecules of SO2. Again, a similar type of question, and I'm sure you can solve it properly. Yes, give it a try properly, and let me know fast. You have got 45 seconds. Give it a try, people. Give it a try. It's a very simple question. You have got some 35 more seconds to solve. Arshad will be talking about that some other time, bro. Okay. Triambak, this is the time for the mock test only. Yes. We have got some 15 seconds to solve this one as well. Some 10 more seconds. 5 more seconds. And the time is up. Yes, majority of the students gave the correct answer again. So we will look at the question carefully. Right now, we were supposed to calculate the mass of 2.6 gram molecules. What is meant by the term gram molecule? Gram molecule means moles, right? So basically, we are supposed to calculate the mass of 2.6 moles of SO2, correct? So basically, I'm given with 2.6 moles of SO2, right? I'm supposed to calculate mass of 2.6 moles of SO2. How do we convert moles into mass? I'll say mass of SO2 will be equal to moles of SO2 multiplied by molar mass of SO2, that's 64. The value comes out to be 166.4 grams. So this is basically the mass of 2.6 moles of SO2, 2.6 gram molecules of SO2, right? I'm sure it's clear to everyone. Moving on to one more. Moving on to one more. I'm starting the countdown in 3, 2, 1, and your countdown has started. Yes, after this question, I'll be showing you the leaderboard as well. All right, Chiranjeevi, I'll be doing that. The percentage composition of carbon by mole in methane. We are supposed to calculate. This question was once asked in JEE once, mains. Okay, a very simple question. The percentage composition of carbon by mole in methane is. What do you think about this one? Pranav, do not write the answer in the chat box, bro. Okay, if you want to participate, you should go to menti.com, type the code, then only you can participate in the Menti session. Right? The percentage composition of carbon by mole in methane. Right? A very, very simple question this is. Thank you, Mr. Nobita. All right, 10 more seconds, people. The ones who have not liked the video yet, please do like the video, share the video with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel as well. Yes? Okay, so the time is up. Let me see, majority of the people have solved it or not. Not majority of the people have solved it. Why is it? Let's have a look. See, guys. I was supposed to calculate the percentage of carbon by mole in methane. Will be equal. Have a look, guys. If I'll be having 1 mole of methane, can I say 1 mole of methane contains 1 mole of carbon? Can I say 1 mole of methane contains 1 mole of carbon and 4 moles of hydrogen? 4 moles of hydrogen atoms, right? So, what do I need to calculate? I need to calculate the percentage of carbon by mole in case of methane. If I'll ask you how many total moles of atoms do we have? We have got total 5 moles of atoms in 1 mole of methane, right? Out of 5 moles of atoms in methane, out of 5 moles of atoms in 1 mole of methane, how many moles of carbon atoms are there? There is 1 mole of carbon atom. So percentage of carbon by mole in methane is going to be moles of methane in 1 mole of CH4, that's 1, divided by total moles of atoms in methane, that's 5, multiplied by 100. The value comes out to be simple 20, right? So 20 is the percentage of carbon by mole in case of your methane. I'm sure it's again clear to you, right? So the answer was supposed to be 20%. Perfect. Akash, the mock test 17 is going to be held on day after tomorrow, right? Mate, you are not supposed to check it on the basis of mass. That's why it was mentioned over here. By mole. By mole was the term used, right? Perfecto. Let's move on to one more. Let's move on to one more question. This is going to be the 8th question, right? Let's start the countdown and look at your phone, people. It's going to be a very simple question again, right? The number of moles of water present in 180 grams of water, right? Is it a question? Kill it, people. Kill it. Kill it fast. Kill it fast. Kill it fast, yeah? Exactly. It's an easy kill question. Okay. I know, Vanshita. I know that. Okay, we are basically given with 180 grams of water and I'm supposed to calculate moles. People, again, I'm telling you, you're not supposed to write the answers in the chat box, yeah? Yes, Amit, you also can join in, right? Yes. 5 more seconds left. 5 more seconds left. And the time is up. Let's see. Okay, so majority of the people have solved it. It's absolutely wonderful. Okay, so basically I was given with the mass of water, which is 180 grams. I was supposed to calculate number of moles of water. Number of moles will be equal to given mass of water, which is 180 grams. Molar mass of water is 18 grams per mole. The value comes out to be 10. So the answer is simply going to be 10. One-step questions these are, right? Yes. No, I didn't forget, right? Yes. So perfect. Let's move on to one more question, which is going to be on your screen in 3. Okay, before solving the next question, let's look at the leaderboard. Let's see how the positions changed or not. Okay, we have got Enthuse fan club at the top. Then we have got Vanindu, we have got Kiran, we have got Mehul the fastest. Well, I remember Mehul is my long-term batch student, right? Yes. We have got Rakesh, we have got Prasoon, we have got Prashant, we have got Sir, Vani ma'am, long-term batch. Okay, you're from Vani ma'am's long-term batch. That's wonderful. Then we have got Raga, we have got Sukriti. People, you guys are actually killing it, right? Yes, perfecto. Moving on to one more question. Moving on to one more question. Moving on to one more question. This is going to be ninth question of the mock test. I mean, ninth question of the today's Menti, right? So the countdown has started. Look at your screen and answer this one as well. The ratio of the masses of oxygen and nitrogen in a particular gaseous mixture is 1:4. The ratio of their number of molecules. The ratio of their number of molecules. Right? A very simple and basic question. A very simple and basic question. The ratio of masses of oxygen and nitrogen in a particular gaseous mixture is 1:4. The ratio of number of their molecules will be. Our Banvar mock test will be day after tomorrow, bro. Yes, people are saying 2:1. Well, people, the question was once asked in your JEE mains. I think in 2013 or 14, right? I think in 2013 or 2013 it was asked. I remember it. No, it's not going to be 1:8. Well, I remember its answer as well. Yeah. So people, you have got 15 more seconds to solve it. Give it a try. Let me know its answer. It's a very, very simple question. Basic question this is. Yes, Suyash, I'll be showing the schedule as well, right? Once the session ends, I'll be letting you know when all I'll be taking the session for JEE 2023 people, yeah? Abhinav, it's not good. It's not good. Okay, so, well, I can see not many students give the correct answer. It's a very simple question. First of all, what was given in the question and what we were supposed to calculate as per the question? The ratio of the masses of oxygen, okay, the ratio of masses of oxygen and nitrogen in a particular gaseous mixture is 1:4. So the ratio of mass of oxygen to the mass of nitrogen, it's given to us as per the question as 1:4. What are we supposed to calculate? I'm supposed to calculate the ratio of their molecules. Let me tell you, whatever will be the ratio of their moles, same is going to be the ratio of their molecules. Whatever is going to be the ratio of their moles, same is going to be the ratio of their molecules. So let me write it like this. Number of moles of O2 divided by number of moles of N2 will be equal. Instead of number of moles of O2, I'll be writing mass of O2 divided by molar mass of O2, right? Number of moles of N2 is going to be equal to mass of N2 divided by what? Molar mass of N2. Very simple thing, right? So let me just rearrange it a bit. It's going to be mass of O2 divided by mass of N2, right? Multiplied by mass of molar mass of N2 divided by molar mass of O2, correct? See people, this term is given to us as per the question. It's equal to 1/4, right? So instead of this term, so let me write it somewhere here. Number of moles of O2 divided by number of moles of N2 is equal to 1 divided by 4 multiplied by what? Molar mass of N2, as you all must be knowing, that's 28 grams per mole. Molar mass of O2, as you all must be knowing, that's 32 grams per mole, 4147. So number of moles of oxygen is to number of moles of nitrogen will be equal to 7:32. And as I told you, whatever is going to be the ratio of their moles, same is going to be the ratio of their molecules. So 7:32 is going to be the answer of the question, right? Isn't it a very simple question, right? Yes, perfect. Exactly. And the ones who have not liked the video yet, please do like the video, share the video with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel as well. Moving on to one more question, and your countdown starts in 3, 2, 1, and now. Countdown is started. Look at your screen, people. Look at your screen. Yes. How many moles of magnesium phosphate, Mg3PO4 whole twice, will contain 0.25 moles of oxygen atoms? Again, a very, very simple question. This question again was asked once long time back in your JEE mains examination, right? A very simple question this is going to be. How many moles of magnesium phosphate will contain 0.25 moles of oxygen atoms, right? Yes, Shiva, that's really a very good book. You have got some 30 more seconds to solve this one, right? I want every one of you to give it a try. And let me know its answer fast, yeah? And the ones who have not liked the video yet, please and please do like the video. Share the video with your friends and do not forget to subscribe to the channel as well, yeah? That's perfect, Amir, that's perfect. So 10 more seconds, people. 10 more seconds, yeah? And the time is up. The time is up. The time is up. Let's see exactly. Well, majority of the students have given the correct answer. Let's see exactly how this question was to be solved. Understand. what we were supposed to calculate, how many moles of magnesium phosphate will contain 0.25 moles of oxygen atoms, right? People, let me tell you, if I take 1 mole of magnesium phosphate, if I take 1 mole of magnesium phosphate, right, Mg3PO4 whole twice, yeah? Can I say 1 mole of magnesium phosphate contains 8 moles of oxygen atoms? Right, 8 moles of oxygen atoms. Or I can reverse the statement. I can say 8 moles of oxygen atoms, 8 moles of oxygen atoms are present in 1 mole of magnesium phosphate. Yes, 1 mole of magnesium phosphate. So can I say 1 mole of oxygen atoms will be present in 1 by 8 moles of magnesium phosphate? Can I say 0.25 moles of oxygen atoms, right? 0.25 moles of oxygen atoms will be present in 1 by 8 multiplied by 0.25 moles of oxygen atoms. So basically, these are the moles of magnesium phosphate which contains 0.25 moles of oxygen atoms, right? And when you will solve it, you get the value exactly as 3.125 into 10 raised power minus 2. Okay, so these many moles of magnesium phosphate are enough to contain 0.25 moles of oxygen atoms. I'm sure it's clear to every single guy. Yes? Okay. Very simple question, right? And the ones, again I'm telling you, the ones who have not liked the video, please do like the video, share the video with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel as well. Moving on to one more question, which is going to be on your screen in 3, 2, 1, and now. Look at the screen, people. Look at the screen. Look at the screen. Yes, look at the screen fast. Look at the screen. A very simple question. How many moles of nitrogen are needed to produce 8.2 moles of ammonia by the reaction with hydrogen? Okay. Again, a simple question based on stoichiometry. Yes. Right? Give it a try fast. Give it a try fast. You have got 30 more seconds to solve this. It's okay, Purnima. I get it. It happens. Yes, Mohammad Arshad. Sudarshan Prem Kumar sir, he is a very good friend of mine, right? We have been knowing each other from past 3-4 years, right? Before joining Vedantu, me, Shimon sir and Sudarshan sir, we were working in some other firm before, right? Okay, you can ask him about me. He's a really very close friend of mine. Okay, so people, let's see how this question was to be solved. It is a very simpler one. Have a look properly. We are given the reaction in which N2 is reacting with H2 and it leads to the formation of NH3, right? It leads to the formation of NH3. Now understand how this question is to be solved. How many moles of nitrogen? How many moles of nitrogen are needed to produce 8.2 moles of ammonia, right? So can I say 2 moles of ammonia as per the stoichiometry, 2 moles of ammonia, let me write it over here, 2 moles of NH3 are produced from 1 mole of N2, right? As per the normal stoichiometry is concerned. Yes, 2 moles of ammonia are produced from 1 mole of N2. Can I say 1 mole of NH3 is produced from 1 by 2 moles of N2? Yes. So can I say 8.2 moles of ammonia, 8.2 moles of ammonia will be produced from 1 by 2 multiplied by 8.2 moles of ammonia. So the value comes out to be 4.1. So 4.1 moles of nitrogen, 4.1 moles of nitrogen are enough to produce 8.2 moles of ammonia. So 4.1 moles is going to be the answer of the question. I'm sure it's clear to every single guy. Yes? Right? Let's move on to one more question then. Let's move on to one more question. It's going to be the 12th question. Moving on to the 12th question. I'm starting the countdown in 3, 2, 1, and now, people, the countdown has started. Look at your screen. Look at your screen fast. Give it a try. Number of moles of NaOH present in 2 liter of 0.5 molar NaOH. See what kind of a question this is. Number of moles of NaOH present in 2 liters of 0.5 molar NaOH. Yes, Suyesh, absolutely. He's the founder of Vedantu. Thank you, Divya. Thank you. Welcome, Vandana. Welcome, welcome, welcome. It's okay, Pranav. It happens, right? Let's see, Chaitanya. Okay, we have got 20 more seconds to solve this one, people. That's perfect, Mishti. Nice to hear that. Hello Asha, welcome to JEE Enthuse. Okay, you have got 5 more seconds to solve this. The time is up. Let's see how many of you have solved it properly and what is going to be the answer of this question. Well, majority of the students have given the correct answer. It's people simple, right? See, as you all must be knowing, molarity is basically number of moles of solute divided by volume of solution in liters. So number of moles of solute will be equal to molarity of the solution multiplied by volume of solution in liters, right? So I'm supposed to calculate the number of moles of solute, the number of moles of NaOH, moles of solute. Molarity of the solution is given to us as 0.1. Volume of solution is given to us as how many liters? 2 liters. The value comes out to be simple 1, right? So there is basically 1 mole of NaOH present over here as per the equation, right? So 1 mole of NaOH is going to be the answer of the equation. I'm sure it's clear to everyone, right? Let me move on to one more, or before moving on to one more, let's see the leaderboard. Let's see if the leaderboard comes right now. No, we are going to go to one more question. Maybe after this question there will be a leaderboard, right? Okay, the countdown has started. Look at your screen again. Look at your screen. What just happened? Just a second, people. Okay, this is the question on your screen. The concentration of glucose in blood is 0.72 grams per liter. The molarity of the glucose will be. The molarity of the glucose will be. Right? So basically, it's mentioned in the question that there are some 0.72 grams of glucose present in 1 liter of solution. You need to calculate molarity of the solution, yeah? This question was asked this year, JEE Mains. I mean, in the July attempt, this was asked, right? Shriram, it's always with you. God bless you. People, a very simple question this is, right? You have got some 30 more seconds. My God, a lot of time you have got to solve this one. Yeah? Yes? Sridhar, you need to go to www.menti.com and type the code, then only you can participate. Otherwise, you won't be able to participate. You have got some 10 more seconds to solve it, right? Give it a try properly. Give it a try properly. No need to hurry at all. That's great, Mukund. The time is up. The time is up. Hello, Ashwarya. I'm doing great. How are you? Yes, Jerry, I remember you absolutely. Okay, so let's see. Well, majority of the students have given the correct answer. Well, we will have a look properly. It's mentioned that some 0.72 grams of glucose, 0.72 grams of glucose are present in 1 liter of solution. I need to calculate molarity. What is molarity? Moles of solute present in 1 liter of solution. These are grams of solute present in 1 liter of solution. I need to convert these grams into moles. I need to divide this 0.72 with the molar mass of glucose, which is 180. The value is going to come as 4 into 10 raised to the power minus 3. So these many moles of glucose are present in 1 liter of solution. So this is basically the molarity of the solution, 4 into 10 raised to the power minus 3. I'm sure it's clear to everyone, right? Perfecto. The ones who have not liked the video yet, please do like the video, share the video with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel as well. Well, people, this is the leaderboard. Let's see how the positions changed now or not. Let's see exactly what's happening over here. Okay, wonderful. We have got Prashant at the top. Wonderful, Prashant. We have got Vaninda consistently in the second place. Enthuse has come down. Then we have got Kiran Kumar. We have got Rakesh. We have got Harshit, the fastest one to answer this one. That's wonderful. We have got Ishpreet. She is my long-term student, right? Okay. We have got Kamlesh. We have got Harshit. We have got Janan, NEET 2022. Wonderful, people. Good job done. Moving on to one more. Wonderful. Keep it up. Keep it up, guys. One more question, which is going to be on your screen in 3, 2, 1, and now. This is a question. Look at your phone. Look at your phone or laptop, wherever you're seeing. The question was asked somewhere in JEE Mains 20 July. Okay, this month the question was asked. 4.5 grams of the substance is dissolved in 250 ml of solution. The molarity of the solution is. People, see what kind of question was asked, right? See what kind of question was asked. See what kind of a question was asked. A very simple and basic question this is, right? And I'm sure you would have killed it, right? You have got a lot of time to solve it, 45 seconds. I don't know why they have kept this much of time, right? But it's okay, right? We'll talk till then. Yes? Some 35 more seconds. Yes, Pranav, exactly. I mean, the level of JEE nowadays has reduced a lot, maybe due to COVID and all, right? From past 2 years, the questions are coming. I mean, in chemistry, chemistry has always been the easiest in the JEE, right? You know it. Yeah? But this year and last year also, the questions were damn easy. Okay? The questions were of NEET standard, you can say. Now you can clearly visualize what is going to be the level of this year's NEET examination. If JEE level has dropped, that means NEET level would have already dropped, right? Okay? Perfect. So majority of the students gave the correct answer. So people, it was a very simple question, right? I was supposed to calculate molarity of the solution. Is that? Molarity of the solution is basically mass of solute in grams multiplied by 1000 divided by molar mass of solute multiplied by volume of solution in milliliters, right? This is the formula which we use in order to calculate molarity. I'm sure you know it. Yes. What is the mass of solute? 4.5 grams. Multiplied by what? Multiplied by 1000 divided by molar mass of solute is given to us as 90 grams per mole. Okay. Volume of solution in milliliters. It's 250 ml. Right? This is going to be 1. Right? This is going to be 20. This is going to be 1. This is going to be 4. This is going to be 1. This is going to be 5. 1 divided by 5 comes down to 0.2. So 0.2 is going to be the molarity of the solution, right? So what does it mean basically? It means 0.2 moles of solute are present in 1 liter of solution. As simple as that. Yes? Okay. A very simple question this was, right? Let me move on directly to one more question then. This is your one more question which is going to be on your screen in 3, 2, 1 and I think now. Right? Okay. How many moles of Al2SO4 would be in 50 grams of the substance? How many moles of Al2SO4 whole thrice would be in 50 grams of the same substance, right? Basically, you are supposed to convert this mass of the substance into moles of substance. That's it, right? Be a champion. I'll check it out, bro. I'll see. Yes, Pranav, I have taught a lot of organic chemistry on NEET channel. You can check it from there, right? Yes, Janan, I remember you. Absolutely. You were my student last year. Last year you were in class 11th, I believe, right? So you have got some 10 more seconds, people. 10 more seconds, give it a try properly. Ankit, Menti code is mentioned on the top. You can see it, 40998663. Well, the time is up. Let's see how many of the students have marked it properly. Well, again, majority of the students have given the correct answer. You are simply supposed to calculate number of moles, which is basically mass of the substance that is given to me as 50 grams, right? Divided by molar mass of the substance is also given to me as 342 grams per mole. The value comes out to be 0.14 moles. The question was as simple as that, right? Okay. Perfecto. Moving on to one more then. Let's move on to one more. Nice to hear that, Sriram. Okay, we have got 16th question on your screen. And just a second, people, just a second. I'm starting the countdown in 3, 2, 1 and the countdown has started. Look at your screen properly and do let me know the answer of this question fast. The empirical formula of the compound is CH2. 1 mole of this compound has a mass of 42 grams. Its molecular formula will be. Again, a simple question. You've got exact 1 minute to solve this question. Give it a try properly. People. Hello, Soumya. How are you? Yes. Well, a lot of yes have been my students. I don't remember which yes you are exactly. Well, if you can give me some hint, I would definitely remember you. Welcome, Sumit. Welcome. Welcome to JEE Enthuse, bro. That's perfect, Salula. That's perfect. Some 20 more seconds. You have got some 10 more seconds, people. Give it a try. Hello, snack videos. Welcome to JEE Enthuse. We welcome you. Yes. Okay, so the time is up. Let's see how many of you have solved it properly. Well, I can see majority of the students have given the correct answer. That's absolutely wonderful. What I was supposed to calculate? I was supposed to calculate molecular formula. People, I hope you remember. Molecular formula is equal to empirical formula multiplied by N, right? And what is N? N is simply molecular mass of the substance divided by empirical mass of the substance, right? Is the molecular mass of substance given to me, right? Absolutely. I'm given with mass of 1 mole of the compound I'm given with. That's what we call as molecular mass, right? That's what we call as molar mass, 42 grams, which is going to be 42 AMU, divided by empirical mass. What is the empirical mass of it? See, carbon is 12, 12 plus 1 into 2, that's 14, right? It's going to be 14, the value comes out to be 3, right? So molecular formula is simply going to be equal to empirical formula, which is CH2 multiplied by N is 3, so it's going to be C3H6. So C3H6 is going to be the molecular formula of the compound. I'm sure it's clear to everyone, right? Yes, perfecto. Let's move on, people, to one more question then, right? I'm sure you would have killed this one, right? Let's move on directly to one more question. This is going to be 17th question, right? I'm starting the countdown in 3, 2, 1, and your countdown has started, and look at your screen. Molarity is calculated by what? Okay, molarity is calculated by, right? You simply need to write the formula for molarity. A very simple and basic question. Yes. Kill it, people, kill it. Let me know its answer fast, yeah? Yes, a very simple one, right? It's okay, Manisha. Exactly, Pranav. Hello, Niveta. Welcome to JEE Enthuse. Well, you have got some 15 more seconds to solve this one. Well, there is no need to solve this one, right? Chaitanya, basically, I'm not into bikes. I'm into cars, yeah? I'm not into bikes. Well, people, you already knew it. Molarity of the solution. How do we define molarity? Molarity is simply defined as the number of moles of solute present in 1 kg of solvent, right? Moles of solute divided by kilograms of solvent. So this is going to be the answer of the question, right? A very simpler one. Yeah? Perfect. Chalo, moving on to one more. This is the 18th question, I believe. Okay, before the next question, let's look at the leaderboard now. Let's see who's topping the leaderboard. And the ones who have not liked the video yet, do like the video, people. Do share the video with your friends, right? So we have got Vanindu, the fastest one to answer this one, and has taken the lead. Wonderful. We have got Prashant at the second position. Rakesh has shifted to the third place. Enthuse has come down. We have got Kamlesh. Then we have got Kiran. We have got Harshit. We have got Ishpreet, the long-term student. Yes, we have got Mehul. Mehul is again my long-term student. We have got Harshit. Wonderful, people. Good job done. Moving on to one more. This is now going to be the 18th question, right? Starting the countdown. People, look at your screen and give it an answer properly. Yes. Yes, Mangalam, I'll be continuing with the atomic structure. Yes. Okay, with the increase in temperature, which of these changes? It's a very common question, and I'm sure you all will solve it properly. Yes. It's a very, very common question, people, right? Mangalam will be resuming the nurture series from Saturday, right? Saturday will be the session of chemistry for your JEE 2023 nurture series, right? So from Saturday we are resuming that, right? People, yes, Manat, I remember you absolutely. Yes, Pranav, theory questions also come, right? Anmol, you can let me know where exactly the problem lies. Maybe I can help you out. Perfect. The time is up. Absolutely, it's going to be molarity. Molarity is temperature dependent, right? Molarity changes on changing temperature, right? Because if you look at the formula of molarity, there's a volume term involved, and volume is temperature dependent. If volume is temperature dependent, molarity is volume dependent, right? So that means molarity is temperature dependent. So on changing the temperature, molarity changes. It was a very simpler one, right? Yes, a basic question this was. And we have done these questions in the actual sessions, if you remember. Yeah, we have done these sort of questions. Moving on to one more. Okay, starting the countdown, people. Look at your screen. Look at your screen fast. Look at your screen fast. The correct formula of molarity of dilution. Is it a question? The correct formula of molarity of dilution. Dilution formula, people. That's it. Archita, NEET Elite. I'll be again starting from Saturday only. Yeah. Surely Anurag will be doing the chemical kinetics Menti as well, no issues, right? You have got some 30 seconds to solve this one, people. Well, Janan, I have already taken top 100 questions from S block elements yesterday on NEET Elite. You can check it out. It'll be definitely helpful for you. I solved some 100 questions in 1 hour from the chapter S block. That covers your entire chapter. Yeah. So do check it out. Yesterday only I've taken that. Bindu, mock test 17 is going to be held day after tomorrow. Right? So 3, 2, 1. Dilution formula is simply M1V1 is equal to M2V2, people, right? There is no need to think about it. It's a very simple one. Majority of the students have given the correct answer. M1V1 is equal to M2V2. M1 is the initial molarity of the solution. V1 is the initial volume of solution. M2 is the final molarity of the solution. V2 is the final volume of the solution. It was a very simple and basic equation, right? There was no need to think about it, right? It was a formula-based one. Perfecto. Moving on to one more, which is the 20th question, which is going to be on your screen in 3, 2, 1, and now. If 500 ml of 5 molar solution is diluted to 1500, what will be the molarity of the solution obtained? Resulting molarity based on dilution formula. Kill it. Kill it, people. M1V1 is equal to M2V2, yeah? Kill it fast. Parthu, I'm from Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir. Give it a try, people. Fast. Generally, if you're a NEET student, so it's better to concentrate on NEET stuff itself, right? No need to go for JEE tests at all. Thank you, Aishwarya. Pranav, it's just I can understand a bit of Tamil, right? I cannot speak it. Like, konjam terima, huh? Okay, so 15 more seconds. Five more seconds, people. Yeah? Okay, the time is up. The time is up, right? So it was a simple question, right? Majority of the students have given the correct answer. It was supposed to be like this. M1V1 is equal to M2V2, which is the dilution formula. M1 was given to us as 5. V1 was given to us as 500 ml. M2 we were supposed to calculate. V2 was given to us, I believe. What was V2? V2 was, is it 1000 or 1500? Okay, 1500 ml, right? So the question was done. M2 value from here you would have got as 1.66. That's it, right? Final molarity of the solution. Yes? Right? I'm sure it's clear to everyone. It was a very simple and basic question, I must say. Moving on to one more. Okay, before moving on to one more, let's look at the leaderboard now. Now people look at your leaderboard. Yes. We have got, okay, Rakesh has come to the top. Wonderful. Kamlesh is the fastest one to answer this one. We have got Vanindu, we have got V Enthuse, we have got Ishpreet, wonderful, Prashant, Mehul, Harshit, Kiran, Sir Vani ma'am, long-term batch. Wonderful, people. Good job done. Good job done. Perfect. Moving on to one more. I'm starting the countdown in 3, 2, 1, and now. The countdown has started. Yes. Right? It's a very simpler one. A solution contains 0.1 mole sugar and 10 moles of water. The mole fraction of sugar in the solution. Is it a question? Right? Yes. Give it a try properly. Give it a try, people. Yes, Manisha, I'll be coming up with the marathon sessions for the 4th attempt of JEE as well. Just wait for it. I have planned a lot of beautiful things for you. Yes? Absolutely, Chaitanya. I love cricket, bro. Priya, I have already started inorganic on NEET Elite channel. You can check it out from there. Thank you, Durganand. Y'all got some 25 seconds, people. What's up, Bilal? How are you? I did not see your comments, bro. So 10 more seconds, people. Give it a try properly. 5 more seconds, yeah? 3, 2, 1. Yes, the time is up. The time is up, right? The time is up. Majority of the students have solved it properly. We were supposed to calculate mole fraction of sugar in the solution. Mole fraction of sugar is going to be equal to number of moles of sugar in the solution divided by total moles present in the solution, right? How many moles of sugar are there in solution? 0.1. How many total moles do we have? Number of moles of sugar plus 10 moles of water, right? Plus 10. So by solving this, you'll get the value exactly to be 0.0099. As simple as that, right? 0.1 divided by 10.1, right? That's going to be the answer of the question. Perfect. Moving on to one more. This is going to be the 22nd question, last but one. I'm starting the countdown. Look at the screen properly. Now people, solve these questions properly, okay? Yeah? The correct formula of percentage yield. Okay, formula based. What is the correct formula of percentage yield? Give it a try. What is the correct formula of percentage yield? What is the correct formula of percentage yield? 35 seconds, right? Yes, Manat, I love it. I love it. Give it a try, people. Give it a try. Give it a try properly. Yes. The time is up. The time is up. How do we calculate percentage yield of the reaction? Percentage yield of the reaction is simply actual amount, which is basically the experimental amount, divided by expected amount, which is theoretical amount, multiplied by 100. This is the formula by means of which you calculate percentage yield in the reaction. Yes, which is basically equal experimental amount, or you call that as the actual amount, divided by expected amount, you call that as theoretical amount as well, multiplied by 100. That's how we calculate the percentage yield. Let's move on to the last question, which is going to decide who is going to be the leader of the today's Menti session, right? Yes. Okay, let's start, and I believe it's again going to be a theoretical question. I believe you can solve it out. I have started the countdown, people. Give it a try properly. Give it a try properly. Yes. The correct formula of percentage purity is an equation itself. Yeah. Let's see exactly who is going to top it. Yeah. Let's see exactly who's going to top it. Let's see exactly, people. So 35 more seconds. I want every one of you to give it a try properly. $25 more seconds, yeah. 15 more seconds. 5 more seconds. And your time is up. Your time is up. Well, majority of the students have given the correct answer. This is actually the actual formula to calculate percentage purity. Mass of pure compound divided by mass of impure sample multiplied by 100. That's how we calculate the percentage purity, right? So let me turn the camera on first of my phone. Yeah. Right, I'll turn the camera on. Let's see who is the winner of it, right? Let's see who is the winner of it. So it is, I think, going to be Rakesh is the one who is going to be the winner of the tonight's Menti session. Wonderful, Rakesh. Perfect, perfect. Let me take a clear picture of it. Yeah. Perfecto. Congratulations, you have done a great job. So people, let me tell you, do let me know your ranks exactly in the comment section of the video, okay? Once the video ends, do let me know your ranks in the comment section, okay? So people, one thing I would like to share with you. What is that going to be? Well, from Saturday, I'm starting the nurture series again for the JEE 2023 people, right? On Saturday, we'll have a session for the JEE 2023, so you guys can join me in, okay? So, and do keep on having a look on the thumbnail, like the timing, and I don't remember exactly like what time I'm going to keep the session, okay? So do have a look on the channel. You'll exactly get to know what time I'm going to keep it, right? So before ending the session, let me tell you a few more things. Just a second, people. Let me tell you a few more things before ending the session. Just give me a second. Just give me a second. Just give me a second. This is the presentation shared. Okay. Just a second. I need to tell you something really, really important, which is about the pro subscription, right? Yeah. Okay. About the pro subscription, people. let me tell you first of all, this is something important, okay? Well, I know majority of you guys have already joined in, right? The ones who have not joined in, for them, let me just give you the quick overview of this. First of all, for the JEE 2023 people, we have got 3 plans for you. This is the first plan, right? Which is what we call as light plan, and it's valid for 2 years, right? That means for complete 2 years, you'll be with us in for your physics, chemistry, as well as mathematics, right? Okay, the choice is all yours. If you want to go for NEET, you can go for NEET. If you want to go for JEE, you can go for JEE, right? So for complete 2 years, you'll be with us, and this is the course fee. Yes, what all things you'll be getting in this course, in this program, what all things you'll be getting? First of all, there will be live interactive online classes, test series analysis, notes and study material. This is the best part which you get from here. This is the best part. The study material which you get from Vedantu, which is what we call as Tattva material, that's considered to be one of the best material across the country. Okay? And at the same time, you get doubt solving during the app, right? During the class itself. And let me tell you, this is the course fee for 2 years. You need not to pay this much of amount in one go. You can pay this much of amount in installments as well. Vedantu has kept an option for that, EMI option, right? No need to pay this much of amount in one go. You can pay it monthly, right? You can break it monthly. You can pay it monthly in the form of EMI. And at the same time, if you are new to Vedantu, you have no idea how the actual Vedantu classroom looks like, then Vedantu has kept one more option for you. That is something which I really liked. What is that? That is 1 month pro subscription. People, you can join in this course. You can join this course for a month, and you have to pay this much of amount, right? 3,600 something. And in this 1 month, you'll be taking the classes. If you think you are getting benefit from the classes, then you can go for the actual long-term program. So give it a try. Trust me, give it a try for a month at least, right? For a month, give it a try. Yes, and then go for the actual program. If you are getting enrolled for a month, definitely you guys you'll be getting benefited, right? Because I can see majority of long-term students in the chat box, right, who are actually my long-term students. So they know how the actual Vedantu feel is from the inside, right? So do give it a try. There is one more. That is a classic program. This again valid for 2 years, right? Okay, that means for complete 2 years you'll be with us, right? What all benefits do we have? Whatever benefits which were there in light program, apart from that, you get doubt solving on mobile app, right? Rest all the benefits are same. And again, no need to pay this much of amount in one go. You can pay this much of amount in installments, right? And at the same time, if you are new to Vedantu, you can go for 1 month subscription, right? You can take the program for a month. If you think you are getting benefited, then go for it, right? Then go for the 2-year classroom program after that, right? And people, at the same time, there is one more plus program. What all extra things you get in this? Okay, you get personalized mentor for all the 3 subjects. If you're going for NEET, you get the personalized mentor for your physics, chemistry, and biology. If you're going for JEE, you get personalized mentor for your physics, chemistry, as well as mathematics, right? And if you're new to Vedantu, you can take it for a month, then go for the 2-year classroom program, right? You can pay this much of amount in the form of EMIs as well, no issues at all. And at the same time, how to get enrolled in this? There's a link in the description box of the video, basically. You need to click on that link. Use the coupon code as WBPRO. After using this coupon code WBPRO, you'll be getting some 20-30% off as well, yeah? And let me show you exactly how to get enrolled in this. Let me show you exactly how to get it, basically. So this is the video, people, which you guys are currently watching, right? This is the video. I just opened the JEE Enthuse channel, right? This is the video which is currently going on. You just need to drag it a little down. Click on this show more. After clicking on this show more, you'll be getting a lot of links, right? See, you'll be getting a lot of links over here. Yes? Subscribe to Vedantu Pro now. Click on this link. After clicking on this link, what do you need to do is, you need to select your plan. If you're selecting your light plan, okay, use the coupon code WSPRO, right? And try for a month. Click on try for a month, give your number, email, whatever, on which you get the OTP and everything, right? Okay, so this is how you get enrolled in this one, right? And at the same time, do not forget to use the coupon code WBPRO. After that, you'll be getting some 10-20% off as well, okay? And so this was all from my side in the tonight session, right? Okay, I'm sure you would have enjoyed the session. Do let me know about your ranks in the comment section once the video ends. Once again, I'm telling you, I'm resuming the nurture series back on Saturday, right? We'll be having a session for the JEE 2023 people, okay? There is one more link in the description box. That's for the Telegram. Do click on that link, get added to the Telegram group and stay updated about the classes. And the ones who have not liked the video yet, please do like the video, share the video with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel as well. So people, it was nice meeting you. I'm sure you would have enjoyed the session. So it's time for me to take a leave right now. Yes? Okay. So I'll see you guys soon. Till then, you guys take care. Bye-bye. God bless you all and love you all. Take care, guys. Bye.